I hit the motherload of all charity shop hauls.
I think it looks like I have a problem. Maybe I do. In the summer with like a white vest underneath and jorts. Hello?
How are you gonna layer when you have one top?
This is how. Genius! This with like really baggy blue jeans and like a cap. Maybe I am just following the same route. I'm reheating my nachos. Anyone? Anyone? We're stopping the train and getting off at Sweater Vest City. Population 2. 2 hats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Friday video. I'm so sorry for abandoning you last week. That was not nice of me. But I'm working really hard on some secret stuff behind the scenes, so stay tuned. Trust me, it will pay off. I did have the weird outfit combinations video planned for this week, but then I hit the motherload of all charity shop hauls, and I thought that I should give you guys that today because I'm just too impatient. I can't wait. But the weird outfit combo video, that'll be next week. I have 3 big bags to show you here, and then also some stuff I picked up in Brighton the last time I was there. I'm just gonna get started. First of all, I'm gonna start the stack.
Bag 1. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to start with this stuff. My usual disclaimer, I know it looks like I have a problem, maybe I do, but a lot of this is for bundles. I'm essentially a personal shopper, so like you say, hey, I want this style, Smidge, can you make me an outfit? And I go, okay, and then I go shopping and I buy stuff. So a lot of this is actually for the bundles because I have 3 right now. So that's why there's a lot of stuff. First things first, I have this shirt. Very cute. Perfectly goes with this like style that I've got going on. It's actually my best selling style, this, whatever this is. I call it style 2. I don't give any of my styles names because I don't want someone to be like, that's not goth or that's not really hyper specific core, you know? So style 2 vibes. I'm just gonna have to throw everything over there. I'm gonna regret that later. This is for me. Just a really nice shade of green shirt. It's just like a good overshirt in the summer with like a white vest underneath and jorts. Hello? And then obviously right now this would work even with this outfit, like. And then I got this top, but it low-key goes with it. Those 2 together, so cute. Obviously this whole thing is like my style, but recently I've really been loving the low effort, like it still looks cool and it has layers, but it's not overly complicated on days where I can't be bothered to come up with a look. Do you know what I'm saying? I got this grey shirt because you know how I love wearing ties? Duh. I realised that I have a lot of patterned shirts. I know I literally bought another one, but I don't have any plain that aren't white. And sometimes I don't want to wear like a stark white shirt because it kind of gives school uniform too much. And I just like the fit of it actually. It's very boxy. It's just a staple basically that I needed. This is another one of my, I mean, I'm literally wearing one right now. The like fake layer thing. These are really good for bundles because if you buy a small bundle, you only get 1 top. But if you pick the style that like looks best layering, I'm like, what do I do? How are you gonna layer when you have 1 top? This is how, you see, it like looks like you're wearing 2 things, but you're not. Genius. This I thought was really cute. STR, I don't know what that means, but that's the brand apparently. But it's this like kind of cropped zip up. This with like really baggy blue jeans and like a cap. I've just realized I've described Danny's outfit from SBS. Go watch SBS by the way. Maybe I am just following the same route. I'm reheating my nachos. Anyone? Anyone? This, I have yellow, I have blue. I don't have a red fleece. Like I just love it. Okay, this was for a bundle because I ran out of graphic tees. I was like, the world is ending. So I bought this one. Cute! Beachy surfy caravan dude thing. You literally can't see it. Well, if you want to know the specific brands of anything, just comment below and I'll like try and reply. Oh, this next stuff is all bundles. So if you're like, that's not your style, then here you go. I'm taking a bit of a chance with this one because it's like, whoa, they're getting an alternate in case they don't like it. So it's okay. And then this, I have a fairy style. That seems to be really popular. And so I always run out of long skirts. So I went ahead and grabbed a long skirt. Very flowy. Then these last 2 are kind of the same. Do you know what I was saying before about the layered tee? Well, this is similar. It's one of those fake shirt jumper things. And then it's like shiny kind of fabric. Do you see what I'm saying? It's really cool. And I feel like that would be good to give to someone. Okay, we need to start the stack up again. Okay, we're stopping the train and getting off at Sweater Vest City. Oh, that's the last one. Okay, 2. Population 2. They're great for layering and they're cute, so. Same thing I'm talking about, the fake layers, hello. It's very soft. It's cute, love it. Did I show you this? I wore this in the weird outfits video that isn't out yet. I'm bending your mind a bit with this whole timey-wimey. Sorry to break the illusion, but the next 5 videos I'm filming today. Cool shirt, it's like blue with red stripes. It actually has this weird material. I want you to guess what top this is. If you guessed another fake layered top, then you would be right. And I'm giving them out to you guys. No, but seriously, it's, can you see? Random words. fun. These jeans are for a bundle, someone specific. Black jeans, awesome. And then these I found for them is actually crazy. Brand new with tags. Perfect fit. We have these baggy, like awesome, cool black jeans. And then finally, oh, not finally, we have the accessories. Finally, clothes-wise, this like vintage, it was actually in the vintage section, which was cute. It's a long, or actually maybe midi skirt. I want to say it's giving Miu Miu, but it's not. It's just a pleated skirt with a tiny belt, but it's cute. I just couldn't say no because it's such good quality. It feels really nice. Perfect. Accessories time. 2 hats. This one is actually a Billie Eilish beanie because I saw on this person's Pinterest board, I wonder if you're watching, that they gave me to style them. They had Billie Eilish like merch. And then I found this, amazing. Imagine they're not actually a Billie fan, they just like the design. Well, oh well, you're getting a Billie Eilish beanie. Guys, I got me another tie. And yes, it looks exactly the same as the 2 other ones I have, like this. But I just really like this watercolor kind of style of tie. I think it's fun and I like to have fun. So shoot me, no don't. Next, I have these clip-on bows. Very cute accessory to give anyone. I have this like gemstone bracelet. I love getting these belts that have like this closing mechanism or this one because when I give them to people, when I style them, if it's a belt with holes, like it might not fit, but this way it's gonna fit a wider range of people. It's more size inclusive that way, so good. That is genuinely everything. My floor is now covered in clothes, so subscribe to say sorry. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, please. New videos every Friday, probably. Buy my merch, it's cool. And if you want to buy a bundle, go ahead. They're going to be a little bit slower for March because I'm moving to Brighton, but I will be doing shopping, so don't worry. Okay, thank you to the shop supporters. You're great. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.